Hello, my name is Deepal and today's video topic is architecture of JVM. So JVM is a Java virtual machine. It is an abstract machine. It is a specification that provide runtime environment in which Java bytecode can be executed. So JVM are available for many hardware and software platform. That is JVM platform dependent and in the JVM firstly we discuss about what is JVM. So it is the a specification where working of a Java virtual machine is specified, but implementation provide is independent to choose the algorithms. In JVM, it is implementation has been provided by Oracle and other companies. So an implementation is its implementation is known as JRE. JRE means Java Runtime Environment. So runtime instance, whenever you write Java command on the command prompt to run the Java class, an instance of the JVM is created. So what it does, the JVM platforms following operation perform following operations like load code and verifies code, execute code, provide runtime environment to uh, JVM provides definition for the uh, memory area, class file format, register set, collected, heap, fatal error reporting, etc. So JVM architecture. So let's understand the internal architecture of JVM. It contains class loader memory area, execution engine. So first one is a class loader. So class loader is a subsystem of JVM which is used to load a class file whenever we run the Java program. It is loaded first by the class loader. There are three built-in the class loader in Java. So first one is a bootstrap class loader. This is the first class loader which is the super class of the extension class loader. It is loads the rt.jar file which contains all the class file of a Java standard edition like java.language package classes, java.net package classes, and Java util package classes, and Java IO package classes, etc. So second one is the extension class loader. Extension class loader, this is the child of class loader of the bootstrap and parent class loader of the system class loader. It is a load the jar file located inside Java home. So third one is the system application class loader. This is the child class loader of the extension class loader. It is load the class file from class path by default class path is a set of the current directory. You can change the class path using CP or C class path switch. It is also known as application class loader. It all about class loaders. So second one is point is class area. So class area is stored per class structure such as the runtime instance pool, field and method data, the code for method. So second one is a heap. So it is the runtime data area in which objects are allocated. Fourth one is a stack. So stack is a Java stack stored frames. So it is hold local variable and a partial result of and place the part of the method invocation and returns. So each thread has a private JVM stack create at the same time as the thread. Thank you so much.